Customizing animal feed for different livestock. Animal agriculture plays a vital role in providing a steady supply of meat, dairy products, and other essential resources to meet the demands of a growing global population. One of the key factors influencing the health and productivity of livestock is their diet. Customizing animal feed to suit the specific nutritional needs of different types of livestock is essential for ensuring optimal growth, health, and overall performance. In this article, we will explore the importance of customizing animal feed and how it can benefit various livestock species. Understanding nutritional needs. Different livestock species have distinct nutritional requirements depending on their age, breed, and intended purpose. For instance, the nutritional needs of a dairy cow are significantly different from those of a broiler chicken or a racing horse. To customize animal feed effectively, it is crucial to understand these specific requirements. 1. Protein content. The protein content in animal feed is a critical factor. For example, poultry such as broilers and layers require higher protein levels for muscle development and egg production, respectively, compared to cattle or swine. 2. Energy requirements. Livestock species have varying energy requirements. Ruminants like cattle and sheep can efficiently digest fibrous plant materials, whereas monogastric animals like pigs and poultry need a more concentrated energy source. 3. Vitamins and minerals. Customized feed formulations must also consider the vitamin and mineral needs of different livestock. For instance, calcium and phosphorus are vital for bone development in poultry, while copper is essential for sheep but toxic to other species. Benefits of customized animal feed. 1. Improved growth. Tailoring feed to meet the specific nutritional needs of each livestock species promotes optimal growth rates. This results in animals reaching market weight or maturity faster, increasing overall productivity. 2. Health and disease resistance. Proper nutrition helps boost the immune systems of livestock, making them more resilient to diseases. Well-fed animals are less prone to illness and require fewer antibiotics, reducing production costs and the risk of antibiotic resistance. 3. Enhanced reproductive performance. Customized feed can improve the reproductive efficiency of breeding animals, leading to higher birth rates and healthier offspring. 4. Efficient feed utilization. When animals receive the right balance of nutrients, they utilize feed more efficiently, reducing waste and feed conversion ratios. 5. Cost savings. While customizing animal feed may require more effort and expertise initially, it can lead to cost savings in the long run due to improved animal performance and reduced veterinary expenses. Challenges in customizing animal feed. 1. Formulation expertise. Creating customized feed formulations requires in-depth knowledge of animal nutrition. Farmers may need to consult with nutritionists or use specialized software to develop appropriate diets. 2. Cost considerations. Customized feed can be more expensive due to the use of specific ingredients. Farmers must weigh the benefits against the increased costs. 3. Consistency. Maintaining consistent feed quality and nutritional content can be challenging, especially when sourcing ingredients from various suppliers. Consistency in feed quality and nutritional content is a critical aspect of customizing animal feed for different livestock species. Maintaining consistency ensures that the animals receive the necessary nutrients in every batch of feed, which is essential for their health and overall performance. Here are some key factors to consider in more detail. 1. Ingredient sourcing. To achieve consistency, farmers and feed manufacturers must carefully select and source ingredients from reputable suppliers. Variability in ingredient quality can lead to fluctuations in nutritional content, affecting animal health and performance. 2. Quality control measures. Implementing rigorous quality control measures throughout the feed production process is essential. This includes regular testing of raw materials, monitoring the mixing process, and analyzing finished feed for nutrient levels. Any deviations from established standards should trigger corrective actions. 3. Formulation precision. Customized feed formulations should be precise and based on accurate nutrient analysis. Nutritionists or specialized software can help in formulating feeds with the exact quantities of essential nutrients required for each livestock species. 4. Uniform particle size. Ensuring uniform particle size in the feed is important, especially for monogastric animals like poultry and swine. Variability in particle size can lead to sorting and selective feeding, potentially causing imbalances in nutrient intake among animals in the same group. 5. Record keeping. Detailed record keeping is crucial to track the consistency of feed batches. This includes documenting the ingredients used, their sources, and the results of quality control tests. It allows for traceability and helps identify any issues in the production process. 6. Supplier relationships. Developing strong relationships with ingredient suppliers is beneficial. Reliable suppliers can provide consistent, high-quality ingredients, reducing the chances of variations in feed formulations. 7. Training and education. Proper training of staff involved in feed production and management is essential. They should understand the importance of consistency, follow standard operating procedures, and be able to troubleshoot any issues that may arise. 8. Regular auditing. Periodic audits of the feed manufacturing process can help identify and address potential inconsistencies. These audits may be conducted by internal quality control teams or external organizations to ensure compliance with industry standards. In conclusion, maintaining consistency in feed quality and nutritional content is paramount when customizing animal feed. It requires careful attention to ingredient selection, quality control measures, precision in formulation, and ongoing monitoring. By prioritizing consistency, farmers and feed manufacturers can ensure that livestock receive the nutrition they need to thrive, ultimately leading to healthier animals and improved production outcomes. Regular auditing is a crucial component of ensuring the consistency and quality of custom animal feed for different livestock species. These audits help identify any deviations from established standards, correct potential issues, and maintain a high level of feed quality. Here are more detailed considerations for implementing regular auditing. 1. Audit frequency. Audits should be conducted at regular intervals throughout the feed production process. The frequency may vary based on factors such as the size of the operation, the complexity of the feed formulations, and industry regulations. Common intervals include monthly, quarterly, or annually. 2. Scope of audits. Audits should encompass all aspects of feed production, from ingredient sourcing to the finished feed product. The scope may include examining the quality of raw materials, checking manufacturing equipment, assessing storage conditions, and evaluating quality control procedures. 3. Auditor qualifications. Auditors should have a strong understanding of animal nutrition, feed manufacturing processes, and quality control measures. They may be internal personnel with expertise in feed production or external specialists hired specifically for auditing purposes. 4. Audit checklist. Develop a comprehensive audit checklist that outlines the specific parameters, standards, and criteria to be evaluated during the audit. The checklist should cover areas such as ingredient quality, ingredient storage, mixing procedures, record keeping, and testing protocols. 5. Sampling and testing. Auditors may collect samples of raw materials and finished feed for laboratory analysis. These tests can confirm the nutritional content, detect contaminants, and ensure compliance with regulatory requirements. 6. Documentation. During audits, meticulous documentation is essential. Auditors should record their findings, noting any deviations or nonconformities. These documents serve as valuable records for traceability and corrective actions. 7. Corrective actions. When audit findings reveal issues or deviations from established standards, a clear process for corrective actions should be in place. This includes identifying the root cause of the problem, implementing corrective measures, and verifying the effectiveness of these actions. 8. Continuous improvement. Audits should not be seen as mere compliance exercises but as opportunities for continuous improvement. Feedback from audits should be used to refine feed production processes, enhance quality control measures, and prevent recurring issues. 9. External audits. In addition to internal audits, some feed manufacturers may opt for external audits conducted by third-party organizations. These external audits can provide an unbiased assessment of compliance with industry standards and regulatory requirements. 10. Training and awareness. Ensure that personnel involved in feed production are aware of the auditing process and its significance. Training programs can help employees understand their roles in maintaining feed quality and consistency. 11. Audit records and reporting. Keep thorough records of all audit findings, corrective actions taken, and their outcomes. Regular reporting to management and relevant stakeholders ensures transparency and accountability.